Gotta get that thumbnail in there. If you know, you know. Hola mi gente, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be doing a review for you. And if you haven't been able to tell yet, you probably haven't, but I'm gonna be doing a review on one of my favorites. If you know, you know. Louis Vuitton. So they just came out with some Lippies and I believe shadow palettes. So I have 3 here that I will be doing a review for you on. I'll go ahead and link the colors down below. I don't know the names of 2 of them. I only remember the name of the one that I saved one to open on camera so you could see how they package it, which is super cute in the little signature bag here. But I have 3. So there's 3 different types of lipsticks that they came out with. There's a matte, a line of different matte colors. There is a line of satin colors, and then there's like a lip balm, which is kind of more of like a lip gloss / chapstick, but has like a tint to it, which is really, really pretty. And then, like I said, there are the eyeshadows also, which I haven't gotten to see or check out in person at all. The nice thing with their website is that you can go on the website, look at all the different colors, and then there's virtual try-on there. So you can go ahead and try all of the shades on yourself, and you can even do like a color match where it'll kind of tell you what colors are best suited for you, which is pretty cool. I'll link the colors, the ones that I do have, down below. What I have here is 2 of the satin colors and one matte. So I just have 3 of the lipsticks. I don't have any of the lip balms. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like I announced in the last episode, I am now a YouTube partner. So every subscription counts. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. My next episode, I'll be continuing that last episode of my mini series, and then I'm going to jump into new topics, new try-ons, new fun stuff for you guys. Also, in case you missed it, I do offer memberships now, so go ahead and check out the memberships link down below. There's 2 different tiers, so you can check out those tiers and become a member if you want to see more content, and more content specifically designed just for you. Go ahead and sign up to become a member. I truly appreciate all of you, and hopefully I can get some lives on here too. Let's get back into what we were discussing, which is gorgeous lipstick. All right, so let's go ahead and open this one. So we're gonna open the pack here. I didn't put any lipstick on yet, because I figure I will try this one on in person with you guys for the first time. Never have enough confetti, right? And then comes with 2 boxes inside the package. So there's these 2. What is this? I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay, so actually there's 3 things. Oh, this is a sample. So it comes with 3 different little things in here. So let's open this first. So each lipstick comes with like a little pouch holder, so you can put it in here, which I think is pretty cool, because nothing is more upsetting than your lipsticks opening in your purse and like getting ruined, especially when it's a good lipstick. So it comes with a little pouch. I was told that the lip balms do not come with the pouch. Not sure why, but they don't come with the pouch. Only the lipsticks do, the satin and the matte. So then here, this is just a sample, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So here is a sample. It's pretty cool. It comes with 3 mattes. It says the names of the colors up here, 3 mattes and 1 satin color at the bottom. So those are the samples that it comes with, which is nice. So you could try on some colors. Maybe I should put my phone on silent. It's like doesn't go off at all. And then the second I sit to record it, it's going off. Okay, so, and then we have here the lipstick. So this color is a satin color. Look how pretty the packaging is. That's so So cute. Has a little Louis Vuitton blossom flowers on the sides. And and this one it's so pretty. The packaging is super heavy. It's really heavy. It has the little LV logo and then the Louis Vuitton blossoms are going around the middle. And then there's a little blossom, see-through blossom on top. And the opening, it is magnetic, so you could feel it. As soon as you go to close it, like it's super magnetic to open and close it. And this color is a satin color, and it is called Passport to Paris. Super cute name and gorgeous color. So let me try it now. I haven't tried this one on in person. So let's try this on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna use my phone here to be able to see. Let's bring a mirror over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is definitely my favorite. And I knew it was gonna be. Just by the color. Sorry guys, that's with like no liner. So, I don't know how perfect it's gonna be right now, but it's gonna have to do. And you know what I don't get? The girls who like overline outside the lips. I don't know, like I guess some people it might look great on, but are you guys really liking that? I feel like when I see it, it looks crazy, and I guess maybe in pictures it might look okay. I personally don't think so, but it's everyone's preference. But I can't get down with the whole outlining and lipstick outside the lips to make lips look fuller. I feel like that looks a little crazy to me, but I don't know, what do I know? But I can never get down with that. And I think when I see it in person, it looks a little ridiculous to me. It's just me. This color, I mean, is freaking gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So pretty. It's so gorgeous. So this color actually reminds me of, there is a YSL lipstick that was, I still have a little bit of it left. It is so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite. It reminds me, do you remember like back in the day when they used to have like black and white photos, but they would kind of like do this like weird like oil color to it, but only like the lips would be colored and like the cheeks would be a little like that peachy weird color. I don't know how to explain it. If you know what I'm talking about. But the olden day pictures, and like they would just do the lips and brighten up the lips a little bit and the cheeks, and it was like a peachy, bright, almost shiny. I mean, this isn't exactly it, but I have a YSL lipstick that makes your lips look like that. It is so gorgeous. And they discontinued it, so just makes me so sad to think about. But I think this one kind of like is close to it, not just the same, but I think it's called, actually now I remember the name of it, it's called Peach Faubourg. That's the name of the YSL one. Absolutely stunning. Love that freaking color. Can't find it anywhere for I don't know how many years I've been looking. I guess they discontinued it, and they haven't made one like close to it. I don't know why. I don't know if anybody out there has heard of it or seen it, please let me know, because I've been looking for a dupe or something like that for years now. That color is just simply stunning, stunning, stunning. It's my favorite. But this is kind of close to it a little bit, not really, but I do love this color. I think it's really, really, really pretty. And this one is Passport to Paris. So that's that one, okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is another, so this is a matte color. This color is really, really pretty too. I'll link the names down below. I have to look up the names again, sorry. Should have been a little more prepared with that, but this color, look at this. This is like a pinky red color. And this is one of their mattes. One of their matte colors. And here, I'm just gonna put a little bit on here so you can see it. Look at that color, that is so beautiful. And this one is, I'm not really like a matte lipstick kind of girl. I prefer, I prefer gloss and shine. So I'll usually do like a lip gloss or something over. This one I've already worn twice. I'll try to insert photos. Like I said, obviously I haven't worn the one I'm wearing now, which is why I tried it on camera. But this one I have worn. I think it is absolutely beautiful. And I wore it just matte. Like I was so happy with the matte color. It's long lasting, doesn't feel cakey. I mean, they're definitely luxury lipsticks. They are absolutely gorgeous, stunning. The packaging, the product itself, and I'm not just saying it because I love Louis Vuitton, but definitely, I would definitely give an honest review, and that is it for sure. And the last one that I have is another satin color, which is this one, really pretty. This one's more of like a nude, a little bit of a pink to it. I think the one that I'm wearing has more of like a peachy pink. This one's also another satin color. See it there. I will try it on for you so you can see compared to the other color that I have here. Actually, you know what, let's do all three. So this is the second one, and I'll link the name down below. That's that color. So pretty. So nice. And then let's put the Passport to Paris on there too so that you could see all three. Obviously, I have a type. And that's the Passport to Paris. So the two top, well, look, you're looking at it. The two bottom here are the satins, and then the matte on top. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely worth it. I am in love with these lipsticks. I would like to try a bomb eventually, but yeah, so I just wanted to, I had mine waiting. I've been dying to open the last one that I got there, and I was like, let me wait so I could do a review video since they just came out, and just show how much I love these, and the fact that they come with these cute little holders to put them in and throw them in your bag. I have read and watched videos where they said that the color of this, it like bleeds onto, I don't know, clothing, bag. So be careful. I don't know. I've only thrown it in my black bag. The other day I did wear a light colored Chanel bag, and what I did was I took it, I didn't even attempt to try and find out. I just put the lipstick by itself in my purse instead of keeping it in this, just because I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to find out the hard way. So I don't know. I haven't seen any issues with it, but like I said, I've only just used it in my black bag, so I can't really say if that's true or not, so just be careful, heads up. And that'll be it. So, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which one is your favorite, 1, 2, or 3 out of the colors that I tried on today. Let me know what color I should try. And as always, don't forget, please subscribe, and if you can become a member, I appreciate it so much, because like I said, all of this and my subscribers, my comments, my likes, any memberships, this is all going to be able to sustain my channel, keep my channel running, and keep me being able to make videos for you guys. So until the next one, I'll see you soon. I have another Chatty Cathy video coming up next, and then after that, we'll jump right back into my try-on. So let me know what you guys want to see. Until then, take care. Bye, mi gente.